It's another beautiful sunny day.
And we got a few more mods for a 2025 Tacoma, so let's go.
First thing we're going to install today is our 3M paint protection film, and we're going to put it on all 4 of the doors, right here where that door handle is. When you grab it and open it with rings or keys, we're seeing a ton of scratches, so we're going to solve that problem today. We will put a link in the description to where we got all our products. Here's our 3M film pieces, and it looks like they went ahead and sent us 5, so if you mess up, you have an extra one. Step 1 is going to be making sure this is unlocked. Step 1 is gonna be cleaning all of the door handles to prep to install the film. Next is try to polish out some of those scratches. Just a dab will do ya. We decided just to do the front door, the driver door, and the passenger door. The last prep step here is to be putting some alcohol on all the door handles so we take off any of the wax or oils and get that film to stick on there good.
So we do everything together. So she did 2, I'm gonna do 2, and I learned some things from her, so I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, learning a lot. We gotta use some soapy water just to get it to slide around and to stick it when we need it to, and because we have to pull it up and off a few times. Patience is key. You gotta use a lot of soapy water. But it's working really well. It did kind of cover up the light scratches from before. The next thing we got going on are these rubber inserts. They're silicone and they're 3D scanned or measured, and it looks like it's gonna fit in all the crevices where sometimes, you know, you'll have like breadcrumbs or like dog hair in it, and some of these even have tape so you can just stick it on there so it won't come off.
One of the reasons we went with this product was because we thought this pattern really did a good job at matching the OEM pattern that's in here, so let's see how it fits. We are not going to use the tape to stick it down just yet, and then that looks awesome, nice and clean. Now we wanted to see if it would still charge our phone. Okay, cool. That fit perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of them in the truck and make sure that they fit, so cue the montage. These inserts are so awesome. They are making the truck look more new than when we first got it. Like, look at this. Now I don't have to stare at all the scratches that are on here. This got my thumbs up. This is even doing an awesome job covering up the scratches in the cup holders. And these are definitely some things that I wish that we had gotten sooner, because it could have prevented a lot of our scratches. The next mod is a WeatherTech Sunshade. This thing is awesome. It fits perfectly just like a glove, and it really does a great job at keeping the truck cool and protecting the interior from the harsh UV rays.
So one thing that has been bothering us is that this is chrome, and everywhere else on the truck has matte black badges. The Tacoma on the sides, the 4x4 on the back, and our inlay on the tailgate. So we're gonna take this out, spray paint it matte black, so this whole front grille will be black, and it won't stand out so much on our bronze oxide truck. So to release this thing, there are 2 clips here, and maybe some clips here and here. Well, that was pretty easy. Just these top two, and the bottom one will come out. Let's spray paint this black so it'll look like this.
So we're gonna prep our Toyota logo here with some alcohol and then we'll spray it. This emblem is like massive. Look how big it is. The same size as my hand. We just have this matte black spray paint that we're gonna put on here. We finished painting this and we like how it turned out. We think it looks pretty good and we're gonna go ahead and slap it in the truck. We are really stoked with how that turned out. We think it makes the whole truck look a billion times better and everything looks way more cohesive.
No longer is this standing out chrome while the grill's black, so the whole thing being black is just making our bronze oxide truck look so much better. So the next thing we're gonna do is put yellow film on our fog lights because white isn't the coolest and we want it to be yellow. And yes, in the future we will replace them with some aftermarket fog lights, but for now we're just using the film that we have. I think we picked this guy up from our last trail. So we went ahead and pre-cut these to size, so hopefully, oh yeah, look at that. You guys know the drill already, soapy water. We need a screen protect squeegee would come in handy again, so we're gonna use it for our film install.
This is so sweet. This yellow just looks so vibrant and so good. It really takes the truck from stock and basic to just more adventure ready. So I'm up next. I'm gonna clean this light up and get to it. The Pro and Trail Hunter has rigid, right?
Yeah.
We just have like random. Rajid. Really like Johnny's tip on just getting your fingers wet. I see what you're saying. I got it down in there a little bit. The squeegee is like really awesome just to help tuck in all those corners and just put pressure on every side so it stays on there super secure. Where your fingers can't fit, the squeegee really helps.
So honestly, that was pretty easy and we really like how it turned out.
These look incredible, and again, it just takes this truck from looking from basic to bold, and it was so simple. There it is, another 5 easy mods that we just did on our 2025 Toyota Tacoma.
Yeah, let us know in the comment section what are some things you guys have done and anything else that you guys recommend.
Don't forget to like and subscribe too.
Yes, we Chan. Chan's out.